Oh, hi everyone. Welcome to my Alberto. I'm your kitchen. Today we're going to be making a Thai dish called hoi tad. Stay tuned. So today we're going to be cooking another Thai dish called hoi tad. Stay tuned. So today we're making hoi tad again for the third time. It's a pancake that is made in Thailand with all sorts of ingredients. Like, for example, we have mussels that have been deshelled and egg. We have some garlic, some scallion, bean sprouts. That's my beer. We have some rice flour, corn flour, and just some regular all-purpose flour. So let's make this. We're gonna take some. I don't have measurements, so I'm just gonna wing it. The ratio is like 2 to 1, so 2 rice flour, that's 2 corn starch, that's like 2, and then some flour, 1. Okay. And then I have some water here. Just add a little water. Mix it. You want this kind of runny, so it definitely needs some more water. So when you get like that consistency, it's pretty thin, then all we gotta do is just add, let's say half the mussels, or like that much. And then we're gonna go fry it. We're gonna preheat our wok. You have to salt it. And pepper. So we got a hot wok here. Got some oil. Drizzle, drizzle. Maybe like a tablespoon. Make sure you coat the bottom. And then you just take your mixture and then you just right on top like that. And then we can take the mussels and, spread them out. You don't want it all on one side, because then what if I get that side that has no mussels? That's I wouldn't like that. So you're just gonna let this go, maybe turn on the heat a little bit for like a couple minutes. We want to get that bottom nice and crispy. Okay, what's next is we're gonna crack one egg. It's been going on for a few minutes now. Let's crack an egg. This looks weird, I know, but and you just kind of break the yolk up a little bit, and then smear it around like that. Right? It's okay if it runs out. You want to kind of cover the whole thing with some yolk. And then we're just going to let this go for 30 seconds. But in the meantime, we took some of that garlic, we crushed it. We're going to just push this to the side. Actually, we could just do it here. You're going to stir fry the garlic a little bit. And then we're going to add some of these bean sprouts. We're going to cook them up a little bit. Man, this thing is... Give me some space, man. Okay, there we go. Let's do more oil. You want a little bit more juice? You know what? That's a little more. And then we're gonna flip this guy right on top. Ooh. That looks pretty messy. But it's okay. It's a messy pancake. All right. After a couple minutes, what you can do is break it up. Break it up a little bit into kind of pieces like that, and then you can toss it around a little bit better. This is pretty much done. But if you want to fry it a little more, you can as well. So I'm just going to give this a quick stir, and then it'll be ready to serve. Okay, turn that off. And grab my plate. Put that on there. Ooh, so nice. Get all this good stuff in there. Okay, to the table. Gonna garnish. Boom. Okay. We should give it a taste. Here I have prepared some sweet chili sauce with some sriracha. That could be your dipping sauce. I mean, you can hear the crunch, you know, it's pretty crunchy. Let's give it a shot here. Smaller bite. Grab a bit of everything. Dip. Mmm. Success.